All right. I think we are back. I am not sure what happened. I reset the router. I reset the computer. Hopefully this is better. I have a question. Can machines get COVID? Seriously. At this point, mamma mia. Anyway, sorry about that. Like I said, I reset the router, switch cables, reset the computer. Yeah, so back on again. I really don't know what happened. Seriously, I'm starting to think that computers can get COVID also. You know, routers can get COVID because it's, yeah. All right, so, all right, I see some of you are back in the chat. Yeah, Windows crashed. No, Windows is perfectly fine. Windows did not crash. The internet crashed. I don't know what happened. I really don't. Like I said, Lamer, this is a year, another year I want to forget. It's looking good. So, yeah, we'll see if the rest of the group jumps on the chat. If not, we'll wrap it up. Sorry about that. We were on a groove too, but anyway. Yeah, well, Windows 11, I did have to reboot for updates to the system, so maybe that was it. Maybe that was it. I don't know. Anyway, it seems okay now, so yeah. Hello, Doc. Welcome. How are you? Yep, things happen. I agree. Anyway, like I said, sorry about that. So let me get situated here on my split screen. Give me a second here. All right, you guys should be able to see the chat there on your screen. Looks like we're in the green. My mic level appears to be okay. Looking good here. Yeah, I would say we are good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Lamer said, just forget about it. Yeah, really. Okay, Tim, we're back. Yeah, I reset the router, rebooted the computer. Like I said, the computer did need updates. It was waiting for me to reboot. Maybe that was it. I don't know, but it seems okay now. So anyway, it's all good. Or maybe it's my Cat 5 cables. I did have to replace a Cat 5 cable last week. It went bad. Maybe that's it. I don't know. I may have to stop to Office Max, pick up a Cat 5 cable. Like I said, I had a bad one, so maybe that's what it is. I don't know. All right, Linux Bytes, we are back in the house. Sorry about that. Mr. Bergruer is in the house. Hello from Algeria, he says. Well, welcome, Algeria. Wow, this is cool. All right. Lamer says, time for your weekly COVID. Oh, because you work in the hospital, you have to take a COVID test. Okay, my friend, take care. Yes, absolutely take the tests. They are free. I should probably take one too, just for the heck of it, but yeah. Anyway, Lamer, take care. Be safe, my friend. Doc says, just like Windows 10. No, this is actually Windows 11, Doc, that I had to reboot for the updates, but I don't know if it was Windows or my, I switched over Cat 5 cables like I did last week, so I think I need a new Cat 5 cable. Maybe that's the problem, so yeah. Anyway, welcome back. So, yeah, this is just, as we were saying, before I got rudely interrupted by something. This is just an open chat, whatever's on your mind. What time? It's already 10:30 here locally, so yeah, I'll stick around a little bit longer. Then I do want to get some breakfast, something to eat. So, but yeah, looking good now. So, as I was saying, before I got thrown off the web, Windows 11 so far has been superb. What can I say? Performance is great. It's faster than Windows 10. It's stable. It works. I dual boot this with Zorin OS 16 Lite, which is great, but I need to move on. I've tested that for a couple weeks. Zorin is fine. So I may just install the latest Linux Mint on this one for dual booting, for testing. So yeah. Using Windows 11 now, missed the drag and drop feature in the taskbar. Yeah, I did state earlier that Windows 11 is not quite finished yet. It is a work in progress in terms of features. I'm sure that's coming, sometime after the first of the year. I kind of missed some of those features too, but Windows 11 works, and it is faster than Windows 10. So that's why I use Windows 11. So let me go back here. Let me transition here. All right, this is my main screen here, as you can see. So it's all good. I love these tabs. These are awesome. All right, split screen here. And we're in the green, so very good. So what am I running this on? This is a Lenovo dual-core machine from 2011, I think, somewhere around there. 8 gigs of RAM on an SSD. It's plenty to run to do this. Yeah, CPU usage is using it at full strength, 100%. It's only a dual-core. Memory usage looks like 31%, but yeah, memory right now is 2.4 gigs, which isn't bad. That's actually less than GNOME Linux. Huh. Imagine that. Okay. Doc, you have to take a test for COVID every 3 days. Right. Gotcha. Yes, I have tried MX Linux in the past, Tim. It's perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, this machine here, what I need is a graphics card. And even a low-end graphics card, they're high price. Just a simple 1 or 2 gigabyte graphics card would make this machine perfect. But so far, it seems okay. Lenovo's ThinkPads, they're awesome to test Linux. Even running Windows, they're perfectly fine. So yeah, can't complain. All right, I'll stick around a few more minutes, and I need to get some breakfast, some food. So again, sorry about that glitch. So yeah, not sure what happened. Maybe it's my router. I don't know. I could call Comcast and have them send me a replacement. Maybe there's an upgradable router. So maybe that was it. I don't know. Oh well, c'est la vie. For those of you who like to listen, some of these I transcode into audio podcasts on Spotify or whatever you listen to on podcasts. I got Spotify and Google Podcasts on my phone, so yeah. Ryzen 5 3400G integrated GPU that comes out, which is really, yeah, Ryzen 5 isn't bad. Yeah. Yeah, Tim, Lenovo machines definitely rock. Absolutely. Yeah, they are awesome. Doc says, what computer is that? This one? It's a Lenovo dual core. 3.10 gigahertz. Maxed out RAM is 8 gigs. So as far as the RAM, you can't do much else. I did put in an SSD. It's okay. I'm actually rendering live streaming in 720p, not in 1080. It struggles a little bit in 1080. Like I said, just a simple graphics card would fix it, but even those are a little bit too high priced. Maybe I can find a used one. But yeah, rendering this, doing this at 720p with this computer, even though it's 10 years old, it's perfectly fine. Like I said, it struggles just a wee bit in 1080p, which I don't really need that for this. But yeah, it's fine. You know, for what I got to do, it does the job. So yeah. Hello, LJ. Welcome. Ah, Tim says LJ's your grandson's nickname. Cool. Very nice. So Dan was having internet problems yesterday. Yeah, I don't know. I think it might be my cables going bad. I mean, some of these are like, oh man, 10, 20 years old. They've been kinked and twisted. Maybe it's my cable. Like I said, maybe I'll stop the Office Max today and I'll use some of the PayPal donations to get a new cable for the computer. Thank you, by the way. All of you who contribute through PayPal and Patreon and Super Chats, you know who you are. I know some of you like to be anonymous, so thank you. It is greatly appreciated. That's what I do with your money, guys. I put it back in the system, so yeah. And of course, buy some wine. Got to have the wine, right? Anyway. Yeah. First time changing to an SSD, was shocked, yeah. Night and day compared to an old HDD drive. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, definitely made a difference on this 10-year-old PC. So really, all PCs, you put an SSD in, and it'll fly. So. All right, I'll stick around. Let's give this a 5-minute warning, then we'll wrap it up. How does that sound? So. And start my day. Yes, Carlo Rossi and a beer. Yes. Absolutely. I had some beer last week. Kroger's had a special 3 cans, 3 tall ones, Bud Ice. I think it's Budweiser Ice, Bud Light Ice. I don't know. They were like 3 cans, tall cans for like $2.99. So that's the end of my beer. Going back to the wine. Actually, I may buy some tequila at Kroger's. I like tequila sunrises. Yeah. Thank you, Tim. Tim says you don't have to be anonymous. Yeah, Tim is a longtime supporter of the channel. Thank you, Tim. Yeah, there's a few that want to be anonymous when it comes to donations. I completely understand. Thank you. But thank you, Tim, as always. Yeah, today might be tequila day instead of the wine. Why not? It's almost New Year's. I have to celebrate somehow, right? So, Busch Light and Corona. Yeah, very good. All right, so the internet looks like right now we're in the green. Very good. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'll probably stop at the Office Max. It's actually here within walking distance. Replace a Cat 5 cable, see if that helps. It's maybe part of the problem. So anyway. All right, so those of you who came in late, you can watch this, of course, in its entirety, hopefully, even though there was a glitch. Probably tonight or tomorrow, I will download this from YouTube and transcode it to an audio podcast, and you can catch some of these on Spotify, whatever you are listening to for your podcast. I like Google Podcasts myself. And yes, thank you, Tim, as always. All right, so we may go live Friday night, New Year's Eve. If we do, I don't know, 9 o'clock local time, maybe even sooner, maybe 8. I don't know. Send me emails. If you guys can make it, send me an email Friday. Give me an update. Those of you who join me and support the channel, let me know how many we can get. I like to get a list, at least 6 people on, if not more, for a fun New Year's Eve. So let me know, and we'll go from there. So. Thank you, Linux Bytes. You have a great new year, too. Hopefully, next year will be better than this year. Not looking too good, but maybe things will change. I certainly hope so. Thank you, Tim. It's always a pleasure to be part of this Linux family. 100% agreed, yes. All right. Any final comments or questions, rants, suggestions, jokes? I'll start my date. It is currently 10:43 a.m. And maybe it's time for some scrambled eggs and toast for Total OS, or as Spatry used to say, Toaster OS. All my fans are toasters, right? You know, Total OS today, toast, T-O-S-T, toast. So all my friends are toasters, T-O-S-T-E-R-S, toasters, right? Yes, no, maybe, doesn't make any sense? The Toaster Club. Only 2.5 gigs of RAM usage for Windows 11. That's not bad. Really, that's not bad, yeah. All right, Tim, yeah, maybe Friday night. We'll see. See if we got a gang on. It's been a while since we got a gang of us on, you know? All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Thank you for those of you who stuck around from the beginning through the glitch and through the end for this Total OS open chat for the last Wednesday of this year. Another year has gone by already. All right. I will maybe catch you guys this weekend. We'll see how things go. Stay safe. Enjoy your wine. Whatever you drink. Like I said, I may have to stop at Kroger's to see if they have any tequila on sale. Yeah. Isn't there a song called Tequila something? Right? Yes? Something like that. Maybe that's a different song. For some reason that pops in my head. Something about tequila. Anyway. Alright. That's it. I'm done. I don't sing. Be safe. Catch you on the next one. To all my toasters out there, I love you all. Take care.